Hi everyone, it's Crafty Mom with 3 sets of twins. I hope you're going to enjoy our channel today, and if you would subscribe, that would be wonderful, and hit the like button and the notification bell, and always remember to be kind to each other, and have a great day. Hi guys, I am spray painting some of these candlestick holders that I got at the thrift store, and I've just got it outside sitting on something just so that I don't get it all over the grass. And I got this cute little moon candle holder too. Just as you can see, I'm just spray painting it real quick. It's a silver. As you can see, look how cute that turned out. It's really cute. You can put one of the little candles on it, the little small ones. As you can see, it's really tiny, so it can do the little ones. And these are the candlesticks that I got for 59 cents, and I just spray painted them like a bronze color. They were pretty beat up, and I was just going to use them in one of the DIY. This is the bright Coke hopper, which I got at Walmart's, and I'm just going to spray paint those also. They were pretty beat up, and I just made them into, I took a ribbon and put a ribbon on one of them where I could just put a candlestick in one of them, and then I did a solar light. I pulled the solar light apart and used it in my windows so that at night I'd still have some light in my kitchen. These are just quick and easy. I popped them outside, spray painted them, and they were pretty much done. And see, these are the solar lights that I got from Dollar Tree. I pulled them apart and I just stuck them in the little candle holders, and I stuck them in my windows so at night I'd have some light in my kitchen. And like I said, the candlesticks were 59 cents, and the little solar flowers were like $1.25. And you can see at night, look how pretty it looks. And you can set them outside on your patio table just to make it pretty if you're outside at night. This I also got at the thrift store. It's a Williams Sonoma. It was 99 cents. I just thought this was absolutely gorgeous. I think it probably runs $10 or $15 at the Williams Sonoma store. And I wasn't going to do anything to it because it was in perfect condition. It was 99 cents, and what a great buy this was. I love this little jar. It's like got a really smooth finish. It's very elegant looking, I think. So, like I said, it's Williams Sonoma. How pretty is this one? It is gorgeous. I love it. I love when I have these great little finds at my thrift store. And I'm just going to put some lilacs in it that I got from the Dollar Tree. I took a bush of it and I just cut them off real small just to make it look really pretty. Look how pretty that is. I love the way this turned out. I love lilac. I love the violets and the purples. It is so elegant looking. I'm also taking a different bush because you could put different flowers in it. This one's also from Dollar Tree. I'm just going to spread them apart and just place them in this. You have to really spread them apart so it looks more full. You just got to work with it till you get it to look real pretty. And that's it. Quick and easy, and it turned out so pretty. It would be pretty on a table too, like if you're having a party or you're having people over for dinner, you could just put them in the middle of the table. You could put it among your real flowers because it even looks real. I would love it too if you would subscribe and like and hit the notification bell, because we do appreciate all your attention and it does help us to grow on our YouTube channel. I hope you're enjoying your day and that you have a great week, and thank you for spending time with me today. I do appreciate you, and just want you to know summer's coming. A lot of fun stuff for the summer. So please be safe and take care of each other and yourself.